my data rewards. Get paid to do searches. Pays PayPal every 45 days. Let me show you how to use the button. Up here is your toggle switch for my rewards to go to your dashboard. In here, you will see your page views and your estimated earnings. These are not done in real time. This is your dashboard, your cash out, your referrals, back to dashboard again. Up here is your My Rewards button. You have your dashboard, cash out, reset password, and log out. Over here is your rewards toggle. Down here, it is paused because I just clicked the button. Click it again, and it turns back on to enable. Here's my referral code. It will be down in the description.